I've been with Workday since 2017, always based here in the Dublin King's building, an office that I enjoy very much, and it's been a very enjoyable journey for the last few years. In my role, I am responsible for making sure that our development teams have all the conditions and have all the tools and the training, and their careers are flourishing so that we can deliver really high quality products to our customers. I'd call it a typical day. I work very closely with my partner, people leaders, so we tend to call it three amigos, and the three amigos are essentially the dev, the quality assurance, and the product management. And we tend to work in a way that influences the whole team regardless of the role of the individuals. So there's a lot of meetings around that to figure out, what's going on, what are the problems we're having, how are we going to solve them together. When I focus on the function of engineering, which I oversee, I collaborate very closely with the more senior developers, with the principal engineers, to make sure that they're working sometimes ahead of time, to make sure that the Scrum teams that are on the ground then get the best information from these individuals so that they are never stopped, they're never blocked. Within the diversity that we have in our workforce, when I describe my colleagues, they always tend to be fun. They always tend to have very interesting hobbies. They always have something interesting to talk about. And they're always very committed to do hard work when it's needed. The most enjoyable aspect of my job is people. And I come from an engineering background. I was a coder for a bunch of years. And it gives me an absolute immense pleasure to work with people, to coach them, getting ways for them to achieve their goals, getting ways for them to feel like they have a really good spot here in Workday, great prospects for career, and that they feel like they have a lot of meaningful work to do. So it's not just about coding, you need to feel like you're making a difference in someone's life.